Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have Savior of the Abyss, a sudden death horror game where you explore, solve riddles, and escape an underground facility. Advent Crossroad, a first-person dungeon crawler RPG about escaping a twisted shopping mall. D-Virus, Evil Menace, an RPG where you fight against a deadly virus that has spread through your spaceship. An icon pack of keyboard keys by Kaz. 2 MV plugins by Mika and Hako that allows us to animate text inside a message box. And lastly, templates of PlayStation 1 style cases for decorating our game page and thumbnails. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.